Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look into SQL unions. Coming to unions, in mathematics also in our college days, school days, everybody used to explain us no about unions. We have did a lot of exercises on this, right? So same concept in SQL also, that union and union. So in orally what will be the union? Union all. Union means it will avoid the uh, same type of data. It will be shown into unique values, and union all means it will combine entire data, right? So that's what in this image you can able to see this image that see here coming to first 1 2 2 3. Okay, table A, table B, 1 2 2 3 is there. Okay, so if you are using A union B table, then the result will be 1 2 3, right? No duplicates will be there. So he asked me what it did. He has measured the duplicates. That's what union, right? I mean the union all, see here down, table A B is there, then I have union. I have made the union that what is happening, that duplicate values also came here, because that's some sort of queries we have to be like write like this. That's why union also required. Okay, so we'll go to coding area. See, I'm here. I'm having two tables. I have created the search of as I shown you in image. A L at KM. Selection from A. M like this. I have created another table that B. Okay. To make simplified. See, here I'm having 8 from 1 to 29 having data. Okay. So from B, 10 to around 35 data is there. Okay. So two tables having different sort of data, and some 10 here also 10 is there. No, here also 10 is there. So sort of data will be same data will be there. Okay. So if as per first we have seen in screenshot, right? First of all, union if I am using, it should eliminate the unique value, right? So select duplicate values, it will be eliminated. Okay, so union I am using. Okay, I will use order by also, because numbers, right? Order by ID. Okay, so yes, semicolon I'm going to remove, because I'm using union. So this is what the syntax. Okay, union you have to keep between two different ones. But here some restrictions are there, that if I'm using any extra column here, it won't execute. You create some error. A query block incorrect number of results required. So two queries should be having same data type, same number of columns. Keep in mind that same data type, same number of columns should be there. If anything mismatching, it won't accept. Okay. So I'm executing this. See, when I'm using ID, earlier I shown you that 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. B also 10 is there, A also 10, but single 10 only there, no. So 11 also there in B. But see, I'm querying B also separately. See, 10, 11 is there, no. A also separately. See, 10, 11 is there, no. But if I'm making union, it should union means combined as of your view. No? Yeah. So unique values are there. Like this, you can eliminate the unique value. Means duplicates from the two different tables. Okay. If you are having two different tables, means this is also an interview question that everybody will practice that. If you are having a table in that one duplicates to find out, that also I made video. But if you are having two tables, okay, you have to combine the two tables data with unique values. How you will achieve that, right? You can use union operator. 4 different operators will be there in SQL. That one by one I am going to include this. So in this session, I am going to cover two concepts, that union and union all. Okay. So here what is happened? So union. That's it. So here whatever the same as I told you here, same number of columns from A, B. It should be same. Sometimes it is staging table. Staging table means temporary table. It will be the main table. So we are comparing. If any same data will be there, to avoid that, and whatever the existing data to display, it will be shown. Simply same like that. Okay. So I'm going to use the union all. And now earlier video you can't able to see 10, right? So 10 will be unique value. So union all I'm using here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 2 tens are came, no? 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13. See, that is the difference between union and union all. There by name itself you can able to identify union, union all. But for both of these the rules will be same. That first rule is you have to be use same columns and same data type columns. That will be the basic rules you have to be followed. Okay. But today this is what the session, guys. You are